Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial you will learn how you can save your projects and designs from Canva on your PC or laptop. So let us get started. It is very simple guys. Exporting and saving files on Canva is very easy. What you want to do is head over to Canva and access the project you've been working on, like for example that video clip here. So to save it on your computer, for example in MP4 format, what you want to do guys is click on that share button in the very top right corner. And after that, select a download here. After that, choose your output file format here under file type by clicking on that arrow down icon, for example, JPEG, PNG if it's an image, or PDF print or standard if it's a PDF document, or MP4 video if you've been working on a video clip. And that's basically it. Select the given format. After that, you may go through a quality setup here. However, guys, some of these features can only be used if you have access to a premium or paid subscription here on Canva, like for example the background remover. So guys, what you want to do in the final step is simply click on download here to start the video saving on your device. You will see the progress of the exporting or downloading in the bottom right corner, depending of course on the file size. That may or may not take a moment, and once the download has been finished, you will be given access to the given file on your device in your download folder. That's how it works guys. Thanks for watching and see you next time.